What is up? It's your old pal Nick Fleming Vlogs here. Today we're doing another reaction video. It's been a while since we did a video. I decided why not do another reaction on my friend Alec McGrath. Well, as usual, his channel links will be in a subscription below. So, and all of the credits go to him on this video. So this is a good video by him. This is my second favorite video by him. So it's a really good video. It's not very long, but I really like the content by him. But hopefully you enjoy this reaction. I hope you guys do. But let's begin the reaction. So let's begin. Put my headphones in. Snowstorm roof jump. Whoa. How did he get on a garage? That's a lot of snow, literally. Yeah. Yeah, that's some deep snow there on a deck. Okay, here he goes.
I've got my own camera. Yeah, I think my hands are gonna freeze to the camera, man.
Yeah, I think so too, if he doesn't have gloves on. Yeah.
Hi! Oh Lord!
Oh my. Da, da, da. Oh, Canada. Whoa, that's some deep snow, like I said. Now, back on the roof. Good tunes. I really like the tunes. Can't even see the trees. Whoa, he doesn't have gloves on. But hopefully you enjoyed this reaction video. It's only 3 minutes long, this reaction. I'm gonna take my headphones off, so I don't need them anymore. So it's only 3 minutes in, like I said. But I'm a little bit tired tonight. But tomorrow's my last day of school, and I'm happy because I can get more videos out to you guys. But hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, follow me on Twitter so you don't miss any vlogs or reactions. And what else? I always mess up on this one. Subscribe for more content. And don't forget to put those notifications on so you don't miss a video by me by clicking the bell. And also look at my Instagram. Maybe the link will be in the subscription. I don't know. But hopefully you enjoyed. Your old pal Nick Fleming Vlogs is out.